Hi everyone, how are you? It's been a while since I came on here, so I thought it would be good to have some FaceTime. Can you believe it's almost the end of the year? It's been a crazy, hectic year for me. I do have some life updates at the end of my video, so if you're interested, watch to the end. And welcome to Rice Cooker Baking with Life of Pang. Today we'll be making a peppermint cake just for Christmas. We'll be using a box cake. This one I got for 99 cents on sale. For the peppermint flavor, I will be using Lifesavers Peppermint. We'll need 2 rolls, along with some candy canes. I'm using ingredients that you can easily find no matter where you are. Dissolve 1 roll of Lifesaver in 3/4 cup of water. And then whisk your cake mixture until smooth. Grease and line your pot for easy removal. Just so you know, I do have the full written recipe in the description box below, along with the oven baking instructions. I'm going to sprinkle some of the crushed Lifesavers on top. If you don't like it too minty, then skip this step. You can also add both Lifesavers into the water instead. Spread the peppermint all around. This is my new rice cooker. As you can see, I have many functions, but no bake function. This rice cooker has been inconsistent as far as the various options that I have, so we'll just choose plain rice for now. Also, I do have some tips and basic guidelines at the end of the video, so make sure you watch to the end. Put a paper towel to catch condensation, and let's start the bake cycle. Then set a 30-minute timer. So my rice cooker has been baking for an hour and a half, hasn't stopped yet. Let's check and see what's going on. Oh no, the middle is sunken. Not sure if that was due to the additional Lifesaver or it's the rice cooker. Let's test and see. The middle is not done yet. Let's check the side. Looks like the sides are better. We'll do 1 more bake. This time I'm gonna choose the quick bake. It did stop after about 30 minutes, so it's been 2 hours, which is about 4 cycles. And it's looking good. We're done baking. Let it cool for about an hour before you take it out. While that's cooling, we can go ahead and make the frosting. The frosting is optional, so you can completely skip this if you don't want any frosting. After about 2 hours, it's completely cool. And if you're a regular on my channel, you know I'm terrible at decorating cakes, so frost it however you like. I'm going to sprinkle some crushed candy canes on top. And maybe put 2 candy canes up here. What do you think? The majority of you that are watching my videos are not subscribed to my channel. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and turn on that notification bell so that you know when I upload a new recipe. For my loyal viewer, thank you so much for supporting me. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I love having you here. I do try to upload a new video every week. Support my channel by watching my videos, liking the videos, commenting on the videos, and share the videos with everybody that you know. This will be perfect for your Christmas gathering, and no one will know it came from a box. This is delicious. So until next week, happy baking in your rice cooker. I apologize, I have not been able to upload regularly. Real life outside of YouTube has just been crazy this year. And for those of you who watch to the end of my videos, you may have seen snippets of my updates throughout the year, but I wanted to just give a quick summary of what's been happening and why I have not been able to upload regularly. After 5 years of living in Thailand, we decided to move. In March, we went to Guam to see if it's a possible place for our new home. And then we flew to the States. I thought I would be able to edit videos and upload regularly, but there were so many traveling to visit friends and family during that summer that it was impossible for me to sit down and edit videos. And everybody moved to Guam in the beginning of August. We found a place to rent in September and started to furnish it. At the beginning of October, my husband and I had to go back to the States for our church's mission festival. And there we got COVID. It was a milder version of COVID. We just had stuffy nose, coughing, and pressure headache, and that's about it. We did self-quarantine for 3 weeks, and we didn't fly back to Guam until the beginning of November. And that flight was an adventure in itself. So maybe another video for that, maybe a shorts. At the beginning of November, we had to go into Thailand to visit my in-laws and pick up some of our stuff that we stored over there. And we got back at the end of November, and now it's December. And most of you probably have your Christmas trees and Christmas decorations up, but I don't have anything yet. We went shopping and look at the price of this Christmas tree. And that's not going to happen. And it's not just Christmas tree that is expensive over here. A lot of the baking products are pretty expensive. And with inflations and everything costing so much more, I'll have to go back to work. So depending on if I'm working full-time or part-time, I may not be able to get a video up every week. But I will do my best to get as many uploads as I can. Some of you have asked how you can support me. The best way you can support me is like my videos, share my videos as much as possible. And if you want to support me financially, I'll have my PayPal link down below. And if you want to give in the YouTube application, you can click on the thanks heart button and give your donation through there. So thank you so much if you do give to me. I really appreciate it. It does help support my channel. I don't really make that much money off of YouTube. It's not even enough to cover my expenses. I started this channel because I wanted to bake in the rice cooker because I didn't have an oven in Thailand. And it looks like a lot of you have the same situation as me back then. And if there's anything that I can do to improve my channel, please do let me know. Put it in the comment section below. I want to wish you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year, and I hope that you'll continue to watch my channel, stick with me, and I hope you'll continue to support my channel.